Hey y'all, hey. We finna go with my cousin because we ain't seen each other in so long. So get ready with me for a girls' night. I'm supposed to meet her at 8. It's 7:19. So we really gotta get the ball rolling. I just installed my wig though. I dyed it, installed it, and we just gotta wait it at the end. But I do need to do me some clusters real fast and then my makeup just don't fall in line. So let's go. From Amazon, I've been loving the little short looks lately. So we finna do these real fast. And I might do some olives if we got time. We gonna see.
Together and it's been suitcase.